Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace your sky in Photoshop 2023. First, let's go to Edit, select Sky Replacement. Photoshop will automatically analyze your image and replace the sky with the default settings. To make further adjustments, in Sky Replacement panel, use the drop-down to select a new sky from the preset library, or you can import your own image. In this example, I'm going to be choosing the third sunset sky. After selecting your choice, click outside the box to exit from the drop-down. After selecting your new sky, you can make it more realistic by adjusting the following settings. You can use the Shift Edge slider to make the sky appear closer or farther. Use the Fade Edge slider to sharpen or blur the sky. You can use the brightness to match brightness to original image. Adjust temperature of your image with temperature slider. You can flip the sky by clicking this checkbox. To harmonize your sky to your original image, play around with the foreground lighting, edge lighting, and color adjustment sliders to get the look that you desire. And finally, once you're happy with your adjustment, from Output dropdown, select New Layer to keep it editable, or select Duplicate Layer to create a new one with the new adjustments and while still keeping your original image. Personally, New Layer is the way to go. That's it for Photoshop Quickie. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video.